Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to type bold text in Facebook on smartphone. So first you just have to open your Facebook and then let's just say you wanted to set this or make this text into bold type. So this is very easy. All you have to do is to open a web browser. So for me this time I'm using Google web browser. And then what you're going to do here is you have to select this one first, select all, and then copy. Now you can exit your Facebook application and then go to that specific web browser. Like what I've mentioned earlier, Google web browser. Once you open your Google web browser, you have to type or search for bold text. And then you will see here some results, links, and sites, but you just have to pick one. So you can choose whatever you want. But for me, this time I want to select this, capitalize my title, tap this one, so bold text generator. And all you have to do is to paste that phrase or word here. And then you just have to tap this bold, bold italics, bold cursive, and then you will see the output below. And once you have found specific result or bold type that you want, you just have to simply click copy, tap this one, go back to your Facebook application. And then next is you have to delete the first words you typed here or remove and then paste. Okay, so let me remove this one first and then paste. And this is what it looks like. So this is how you type bold text in Facebook on smartphone. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorial.